Hey, it's Mike from TRIDOS.DESIGN, and in this video we'll go over the installation of the upper receiver lock button for the AAP-01 and AAP-01C. And let's get this out of the box. And let's start with the installation. This one is a super straightforward one, so first we want to just remove the upper, put it aside, and you'll need something to push the pins out on these two. Keep in mind they can only be pushed out from the left side to the right, so that's what we're going to do here. 1 and 2. So we can put these aside. And now what I like to do is I usually just push on the button a little bit right here and use a screwdriver to just slightly lift the hammer assembly up just enough so that the button comes out. That's all we need to do here. And we can now put the old one aside and put the new one in. And we can now push the hammer assembly back down. And all that we need to do is install these pins back inside. Keep in mind the knurling should be on the right side as the very last piece. So just push it in place, and the other one, and the installation is done. Now, if you're using it on some kind of aftermarket lower, we've made the tolerances on these buttons quite tight, and it's possible that on some aftermarket lowers it doesn't properly fit, and it's quite tight, or it doesn't even fit at all. So if you still want to use it, it's possible that you can fix this by slightly sanding these surfaces that are shiny, like on this button right here. So this is what you can try if it doesn't fit on your aftermarket receiver. We've made ours specifically for the stock ones, so it's slightly tighter fit, less wobble and stuff like that. But this is what you have to do if you want to fit it on something that doesn't properly fit. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We can now put it back together, and that's the new upper lock button right here. And you can use the old one and put it in the Ziploc bag so you don't lose it, and store it for safekeeping. Again, if you run into any issues whatsoever, feel free to get in touch with us via email or at our Facebook page at TRIDOS Airsoft. And happy airsofting!